Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to connect Bluetooth headphone in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. Let's go. For this, first of all, you have to turn on your Bluetooth headphone. Now go to settings. Here you can see Bluetooth and devices. Click on it. Now you can see here Bluetooth. Turn on this button. Now you will find here your connected Bluetooth headphone. Then click on it. And if your headphone is new, then click on Add Device. So now I have connected my Bluetooth headphone. That's it. So this is how you can connect your Bluetooth headphone or earphone in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.